Okay, my dear students, today will be a very amazing class because in this problem I will show you there are two methods. First one is, you can say, this is a tricky method. There is general method also. There are two types of methods which I have shown here, but I am going to teach you third method which is more easier than these two methods. How is it going to be? You will be amazing that what is this? What is happening here? This type of things will come to your mind. Okay, so anyhow, let us go ahead now. So here, what is the third method which I am going to teach you, which is separate from all these two methods? So anyhow, so let us see here now. You all know that V1 is 20, and here let us imagine V2 is 10 volts, 20 volts, and let us take this is V3, which is 0 volts because this is ground. Okay, so V3 is 0. Let us imagine. So how are you going to find out the voltage across P here, which I am showing in the diagram? The easiest technique which you might have not seen in any of the books, inshallah, I am going to teach you. So Vp will be average of these three voltages, that is V1 plus V2 plus V3 by 3, that is Vp is equal to 20 plus 10 plus 0 by 3. You have to find out the average of these three, then you will be getting 30 by 3, which is equal to 10 volts. Just, did you get 10 volts? Yes. So once you get 10 volts, you can find out the current here, that is I is equal to Vp minus 0 at the bottom here by the resistance, that is 2. So therefore Vp which I got is 10. So 10 minus 0 by 2, which is going to be 5 volts. Do you think this is an amazing method? If it is so, if you like this method, you just comment below. I'm going to get some more methods tomorrow, inshallah. Thank you.